Okay, guys, you're welcome back to the Crypto Niche YouTube channel. And this is where I share a lot of valuable information with respect to cryptocurrency and the blockchain ecosystem. Okay, so if you're just watching me for the first time, I welcome you once again. If you are returning subscribers, you've subscribed for a while now and you're watching me again, I salute you. Okay, so if you know me very well, I'm an advocate, of this mantra that everybody must not become a trader before they make money from the crypto industry. All right. So if you believe in this, okay, and you're watching for the first time and you believe in this, I want you to do something for me right now. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, okay, and turn on your notification bell, okay. So that is what I'm asking for right now, okay. Let's start this movement. Everybody must not be a crypto trader. There are other businesses, there are other opportunities, other skills you can use to make money in the crypto world. I believe that 100%. Okay. So this is what I'm going to be teaching you how to start a successful crypto armor business. Okay. I'm going to teach you how to start a successful crypto armor business. And this is the ultimate guide that you need, right? So let me introduce you to that business. What is an AMA business? AMA business is where you invite a crypto project to a group, and you invite maybe the CEO, the CTO, the COO, the CFO, the CMO, or sorry about that, a lot of MOs or O's. So when you invite the top guys that are working on the project or on the startup, you invite them over to your own channel, maybe your Telegram channel, your Telegram group. You invite them to talk to your audience. Now people are now asking them a bunch of questions like, what is social project? What are you focusing on? So it is called Ask Me Anything. Ask, A for ask, M for me, the other A for anything. So ask me anything. It's a business on its own. Yeah. So, and there are a bunch of Telegram channel today or Telegram group that are cashing out thousands of dollars through this business. Okay. That are cashing out thousands of dollars through this business. And if you real quick, if you go to a Medium, okay, not even Medium, if you search on Google like how to start, crypto armor business, you will likely find my article. Okay, can you see it? How to start crypto armor business. My article is ranking on #1 spot. Okay, so and I taught this October 1st, 2021, almost a year ago. And I've seen a Pakistani guy that implemented this strategy and today is making not less than $1,200 every month. Minimum every month. He sent me a message on Telegram, okay, and he thanked me, like he appreciated my effort. So if you want to be like this guy, you need to make sure that you pay attention to what I'm teaching you right now. Okay. So you need to have a unique selling point. All right. A unique selling point in the sense that you have the audience and you have some other value that you are willing to add to your clients. Okay. For instance, in my article, if you click on this, okay, and this article has been getting several views from the search engine. Okay, several views from search engine. It means that I'm glad that this information is helping a lot more people than I expected. Okay, than I expected. So that is really much awesome. So make sure you have a unique selling point. Maybe you have, you know, a unique value proposition that you offer. It could be something like, okay, for every hammer that you conduct on my group or in my group, and I'm going to be giving a shout out on my YouTube channel. I'm going to be talking about the hammer, on my Twitter space, or I'm going to be talking about the hammer, I'm going to create a video for that hammer, or probably I'm going to publish an article to over 1,000 followers on Medium about the hammer. Do you understand? So these are also unique selling points. All right. So then how to start it? Starting it is not really difficult. Make sure you have a Discord server if you like Discord. Make sure you have but I prefer a Telegram group or a Telegram channel, okay, because I believe that Telegram is widely used than Discord today. I believe that. So I stand to be corrected. If I'm wrong, you can let me know in the comment box. Okay. So now have that. Then make sure that you have um, tools like Canva, like Twitter accounts, maybe LinkedIn account or Medium accounts. Okay, that is also important. Okay, so then organizing AMA events. Organizing AMA events is just it could be a voice chat. You invite them over for a voice chat. Then you begin to ask them a bunch of questions. You might even record the voice chat with them. It could be a video chat on Telegram. Okay, and it could be just a text, like they send messages to the group and answer all kinds of questions in that group. So these are the tools that you need for AMA. You need to have a Telegram account, like I said. You need to have a Twitter account, okay, that have a reasonable number of followers, like 1,000, 2,000 or more on Twitter. You need to have a group. So here's the secret: if you are doing AMA business and you have 20,000 members in your group, and 15,000 of them they are fake members, they are bots, you are doing it the wrong way. It makes sense to have only 5,000, 3,000 members in your group, and they should be real people. Okay, because it is not difficult to know a group that is botted, a group that have thousands of bots as members. It is not difficult to know such groups. So don't try to game the system. Don't try to deceive anyone. It's not going to help you. So be truthful and be sincere. So also on Twitter, if you have like some number of followers, 3,000, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, they are okay. They're pretty much okay. Okay, so once you conduct the AMA, before you conduct the AMA, announce the AMA on Twitter. Okay, and after the AMA, make sure you shout out to the project also on Twitter. Okay, so that more and more people can get to know about the project, because the reason why they are doing AMA is because they are looking for more visibility for their project. So the Canva, probably want to design stuff like announcement stuff on Twitter. Let me show you something real quick. Let me show my Twitter account. And also, guys, if you don't mind, you can follow me also on Twitter. Okay, I post a bunch of content on Twitter like every other day. As you can see, like 19 hours ago, I made a post on Twitter. Okay, 23 hours ago, I made a post on Twitter. So about 30 hours ago, I made another post on Twitter. So you can follow me on Twitter and let's become a friend from that point. Okay. So now let me search for something like announcements. Announcements. So this is like a video. No, I'm not looking for video. Let me see latest. So you need a Twitter banner. Okay. Twitter banner, something like this. This is not displaying correctly. I guess. So let me load this. I guess something is wrong with this. Okay, but I want to show you like you need Canva. Canva is a web-based design tool, so you need that Canva to design your Twitter banner. So and you need something like a PDF, okay, like a very short presentation that you can customize, okay, and use that as a pitch deck. Okay, you need to create a pitch deck. How do you create a pitch deck? You can just go to Canva. Okay, this is Canva right here. So when you get to Canva, you can search for something like this, like a pitch deck on Canva. Just search for uh, let me say I want to create a new design. I want it to be a pitch deck. So you can search, pitch deck presentation is here. Okay, so and you'll be seeing like several thousands of templates that you can customize for your AMA business. Okay, there are several templates that you can customize for your AMA business. Okay, so that is why you need Canva for that. Okay, look at this. So pitch deck, like several designs right here that you can customize for your needs. So in your pitch deck, let them know your unique proposition and stuff like that. Okay, then you can have websites if you want, but it's not compulsory. Rather, you can have a blog, like a Medium blog. Okay. So this is like a Medium blog. Look at this. This is contentking.medium.com. That is my blog. Do you understand? So you can have something similar like that, maybe like amabusiness.medium.com, something like that. So make sure you have a blog so that you can make announcements about the AMA, or probably you can even post a transcript of the AMA, and so that the project can gain more visibility, right? So how do you get members? You get members by actually inviting your friends. Once you invite your friends, then encourage your friends to invite some of their friends also. Okay, then you can start a referral contest. Okay, with $200, $300, you can start a referral contest whereby people begin to invite their friends. But make sure that you have uh, a capture system, like a bot that's going to screen out every other bot, okay, on your channel, so that you don't have a bunch of bots in your channel. You need to remember there has to be a means of verification on the channel that bot cannot evade on your channel. So that is really much important. So how much can you make from AMA? You can charge as much as $1,000 for the AMA, 800. I've seen projects that charge 800 and 1,000 for the AMA. Some projects charge as much as 2,000, depending on the number of members that you have and how long you've been in business of the AMA, on the AMA business. So, then getting the members, just make sure that you have a verification system on your channel or on your Telegram group, so that only real members can join that group. Okay, so make sure you have a proposal. Okay, a proposal like a pitch deck, like I said. It could be like 7 pages or 5 pages. So let them know what they stand a chance to gain if they have a business with you. Okay, so create the first proposal is usually, it doesn't usually look so good from experience. So by the time you begin to have more people that are doing AMA in your group, then you have to update. So it's like you have to update the previous one, and have the proof of work, proof of things you've done in the past. Like, okay, I've done this before, and I've had AMA with Coinbase, I've had AMA with KuCoin, with Binance, and just mention the name of the project, okay, and add their logo and everything to your new uh, document that you're using as proposal, okay, to propose to other project. So by the time you get to this point, keep adding more and more big projects. I'm talking about successful project, not scam project. So keep improving your pitch deck, and let them know that you have a proof of work. So you can connect with 200 crypto project on LinkedIn if you want to be using your LinkedIn profile account also, as part of the tools you're using for your business. So connect with over 200 projects and start sending them like a cold call. Like, okay, you find their project very insightful, and you are willing to promote their project further by having an AMA with you. You have this, you have that. Just propose to them, and by the time you approach 200 of them, there is every probability that at least like 5 to 10 might actually respond to you and do business with you. All right. So also, you need to have more team members, people who are in the marketing department of your business, that goes all out to also look for projects that's going to have AMA on your group. Okay, so make sure that you have the adequate compensation plan for them. You have to try and reward them. Okay, so reward them every time they bring a business to you. Make sure they have the commission they're getting from that. Okay, so for instance, if you are charging like $800 for an AMA, or you got $1,000 for an AMA, make sure that they have like a commission, or maybe like 10 or 20% commission from that. And after that, you take part of the profit also and create more referral contests for your group, so that you keep expanding your reach. Okay. So, and this is the conclusion part. Okay. What's working for you, make sure that you rinse it and you repeat over again. Okay. So you can just save this video to your playlist, so that you can have more and more access to information like this. Okay, so they can have more and more access to information like this in future. Okay, so if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment box. I'll be glad to answer all your questions. Okay, share this video with your friends, like this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Okay, that is the best way to actually enjoy all the values I'm creating for you guys. Okay, so let me know if AMA business is something that you're willing to do, or you think maybe you've been doing it before and it's really making sense. Let me know in the comment box. I would love to engage with you. So bye for now and have a productive day.